Hello, champs! Let's explore the world of farm animals with your favorite aunt. Cow! A cow gives us milk and is a very gentle animal. Buffalo! A buffalo gives us thick milk and is very strong. Goat. A goat gives us milk and is very active. Sheep. A sheep gives us wool and has a soft body. Horse. A horse runs fast and works hard on the farms. Donkey. A donkey carries heavy loads and is very hardworking. Pig. A pig is intelligent and has a strong sense of smell. Hen, also known as chicken. A hen lays eggs and is very useful to farmers. Duck. A duck swims well and also lays eggs. Dog. A dog guards the farm and is very loyal. Camel. A camel can live without water for many days. Goose. A goose is very alert and can help guard the farm. Rabbit. A rabbit is soft, fast, and loved by children. Cat. A cat catches rats and helps protect crops. Yak. A yak lives in cold places and is very strong. Llama. A llama carries loads and is calm in nature. Alpaca. An alpaca gives soft wool used for making clothes. Reindeer. A reindeer pulls sleds and is very strong. Quail. A quail is small and lays eggs. Pigeon. A pigeon can find its way back home easily. Mule. A mule carries heavy loads and works very hard. Guinea fowl. A guinea fowl eats insects and helps farmers. Peacock. A peacock has beautiful feathers and looks very colorful. Ox, also known as bullock. An ox helps farmers plow the fields and is very strong. Turkey. A turkey is a large bird raised on farms for food. Hey kids, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you want any video on any topic, please mention in the comment section. We will definitely make it for you. Thank you. Bye bye.